Yo, what is up, guys? Hope you guys are having a great day. And in today's video, we got a new project that I think you guys are gonna like. So without further ado, here she is. Alright, so this is a ATC 70. It's a 1970 model. This thing is, as you can see, it's just absolutely just so dirty. Yeah, tires are completely shot. Most of them have gashes like that in it. But yeah, overall it's pretty clean. I mean, gas tank, I don't know if you can see that, but it has quite a bit of rust in it, so some vinegar will take care of that. Seat's all torn up, plastics are broken. But yeah, overall just super dirty. The engine is free, turns over, so that's awesome. But yeah, as you can see, it's just super dirty. Yeah, probably our first step will be take that spark plug out, probably oil the cylinders up a little bit, and then see if that spark, and then see if it'll fire up. So let's go ahead and remove that spark plug. Looks pretty good, not too bad. Alright, so I just tested for spark and nothing. So I did clean a little spot off here and just make sure it's grounded properly. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap all this, see what's going on under there. And then if it's not that, I'm probably gonna lean towards the points. I'm pretty sure this thing still has points. So yeah, we'll go ahead and take a look at the points, clean them up, and then see if we have spark. Alright, so I just went and took off all this tape and actually screwed it on tighter, and now we have spark, so that's awesome. Let's see if you guys can see. So yeah, as you guys can see, it does have spark, so that's awesome. So now I'm going to go ahead and squirt a little 2-stroke pre-mix gas in there, and then see if it'll fire up. Alright, let's see what that does. And in the last video, we got it to spark, and then we put some 2-stroke oil or 2-stroke gas mix down in the cylinders and pulled it and tried to start it, but it wouldn't start. And so I pulled the spark plug back out and I checked for spark and no spark. So I've been messing with it for a while. Just been trying different things. I can't seem to get it to spark again. So we're gonna mess with it a little more and see if we can get spark. Alright, so I just tried to strip the spark plug wire and cut a pretty good length off. So yeah, that's not gonna reach there anymore. So what we're gonna have to do is pull this tank Probably have to pull the seat first and then pull the tank and then get to, I don't know if you can see that, but get to the coil and replace this wire. So let's do it. Alright, so we just pulled the gas tank off and the seat and the fenders. That's pretty complicated how to figure that all out, but yeah, we got it. But yeah, super grimy as you can see, but here's the coil I was talking about. It doesn't look like you can actually unscrew it, so we may just have to add on to it. But yeah, we'll go ahead and add on to it and see if we have any spark. Alright, so we just got done extending this wire. Pretty ghetto, but it should work for now. So let's go ahead and throw this spark plug boot on and test if we have spark. Alright, so what I discovered was I still didn't have any spark, but if I pulled it and went like this, it would spark every once in a while. So I'm guessing that something in this has probably just corroded or something. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this off and then clean it up. Alright, so we just went ahead and took this off. I didn't see much that we could really clean, but I cleaned what I could, and now I don't know if you can see that. Let me get out of the way of the light. Yep, we have a consistent spark. So let's go ahead and pour some pre-mix down in the cylinders and see if it'll fire up.
We're just using a stick spark plug for a test plug, but we're going to stick the real one in.
Nothing. So let's go ahead and pull that spark plug out and check if we have spark again. Alright, so I changed the spark plug. That one didn't seem to be sparking for some reason. But yeah, let's go ahead and try again. Alright, so I believe it did run. It's very quiet. But yeah, I believe it did run, so that's awesome. Alright guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, so thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for more videos.